What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to give you a real quick video on what are guitar positions. What are they? What do they mean? Also you can understand the guitar a little bit better. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Gareth. I'm a guitar teacher and session musician. Today's lesson is all about positions on the guitar. Make sure to like and subscribe because this channel is all about guitar related stuff, lessons and so on and so forth. So like and subscribe. Let's get stuck in. So positions on a guitar. I'm going to try my best to explain it in its most simplest form. But first I'm going to give you a real quick reason why we use positions. They tend to give us the best way of playing that particular phrase or melody. That's the idea behind it. It's not a rule that is set in stone. Sometimes you have to jump out of position and so on. It's a general guide for your fingers. That's the idea behind positions, okay? So positions on a guitar is all about where your first finger is. That kind of tells you where you start from. If I was in position 1, for example, my first finger would be on position 1. If I was in position 5, my first finger would be on fret 5. If I was in position 7, I'd be on fret 7. If I was on position 4, I'd be on fret 4. If I was on position 13, I would be on 13, all the way up here. But what about your other fingers? Well, let's go to position 1, as I feel that's the easiest one to understand initially. So here I am down in position 1. My first finger is on fret 1, position 1. And let's say I have a piece of music that has a lot of first frets in it, like this. I would use my first finger for all of those first frets. If I had a piece of music with a lot of 2s in it, a lot of second frets in it, I would use my second finger. And then in my third finger, if I had a lot of third frets in my piece of music, I would do third finger. And then fourth as well, of course. Fourth finger would be fourth fret. So obviously that was a really niche piece of music where I'm using just what first frets or second or third or fourths. But what if we apply this to a real song? This song is Somewhere Over the Rainbow. Try to see that I'm sticking to the position here. Did you see that? Do you see how I had a third fret on the D string, so my third finger played it? I had a first fret on the E string, so my first finger played it. Then I had an open, obviously no fingers played that. Then I had a 1-3 on the B string, I used my fingers 1-3. Open E, back to first finger on the E string, so that went. And that's the concept behind positioning. You'll want to try to keep your fingers in the correct position when playing melodic lines. Alright, so that was position 1. Let's try doing something different to show you what it would look like in a different position. Let's try position 4. Okay, so I'm going to play this famous song, but you're going to see how I'm sticking to my position really strictly here. So, here we go. So there you are, that was position 4, and you can see how all my fingers are playing in the right fret or the right way. Now let's quickly do another very famous riff, but this time we're going to shift position. We're going to start off in position 10, and then halfway through the riff we're going to go to position 8. I'll play it for you now. Hopefully you'll be able to see how I'm doing my fingers in the right way. Let's go for it. That's all of position 10. There's position 10. And then I'm going to jump back to position 8, where my first finger will be on 8, and the riff goes 10, 8, 10. And you can see that even though my 10 is before the 8 in the melody, my positioning is still in the correct way. So if I just do it all together, positions are a guide. You don't have to do it this way. It's basically there to try and give you the most efficient way of playing whatever it is you're trying to play. You could play it like this, but one, it looks a bit crap, and also it lends, because you're jumping around so much, there's more chances of mistakes. And I know that positions, proper positions, can be hard at first, initially, but trust me, they are golden. They're there for a reason. They're there to give you the most efficient way of playing whatever it is you're playing. So that's guitar positions in a nutshell. I hope I've explained it as simply as possible. Make sure to like and subscribe because I've got to make some money off this thing soon or my wife will leave me. See you next time.